To install a program, you have to search on the internet, look for the download link, download it, run the installer, and then a few more clicks in the setup to install it. This is all you have to do, but what if I tell you a place where you just have to search for the program name and click on the install? In this video, you are going to see a better alternative for Microsoft Store to have a hassle-free program installation. For this very purpose, you need to get this UniGet UI program. It is a graphical user interface version of command line interface package managers for Windows 10 and Windows 11, such as WinGet, Scoop, Chocolatey, PIP, NPM, NetTool, and PowerShell Gallery. This app allows you to easily download, install, and update any software that's published on the supported package managers. On the command line interface, you have to manually enter the command to search for a program, for example, Chrome. Then copy the program ID and install it using the command. On the UniGet UI, you can do the same thing without writing any command, and there are other features as well. This is what it does. It gets software from different sources and helps you to install and update on your PC. Let's first download it. Here you get different options: download directly, get it from Microsoft Store, or from GitHub. Download the installer and run it. Choose Install for all users. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up, select the language and click OK. Click Next. Choose your option and click Next. Now install. After the installation, click on Finish. You will see the UniGet UI interface. To search for a program, type its name and hit Enter. Choose your program, right-click on it and select Install. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up and it will set up the program without any user input. You can search for software using these criteria. You can search by package name, package ID, or both. Then choose Exact Match or Show Similar Packages. Using these, you can refine your search. The UniGet UI has one issue compared to Microsoft Store. It doesn't suggest apps like Microsoft Store. You can only search if you know the name of the software. But it searches on every other platform, while Store only allows you to install apps that is submitted on their platform. You can see here at the source, you can also filter out the sources for more refined search. Another advantage of UniGet UI is you get more installation options. You can right-click on a package and choose installation options. You can choose the architecture, run as admin, select interactive installation, and skip the hash check. You can even select a past version of the program and stay on that using this option. There are a few other options as well. Microsoft Store doesn't provide you with these customizations. You can also know more about a package by right-clicking and choosing package details. You can update the software package from the Update section. Simply select all the apps that you want to update and click Update Selected Packages. It will update them all one by one. If you don't want to give UAC permissions to every update, you can select this option, Update as Administrator. Then you have Skip Integrity Check option, but I recommend not using it as it will skip the malware check in an update package. You also have an option to use the classic interactive update, where Windows and Actions displays on your desktop. If you right-click on an update, you get several options. You can download the installer for that update, uninstall the package, and then update it, or simply uninstall if it is no longer required. You can ignore all updates for a package, or skip the current one. You also have option to pause update for a package for up to 1 year. Some publishers don't publish their updates to the package managers. Instead, they use their own app to automatically update their software. In that case, UniGet UI won't be able to update them. You can enable the automatic updates on UniGet UI by going to Settings, Install, and Update Preference, and then enable Install Available Updates automatically. You also have option to choose the frequency for updates check. You can also take a backup of your installed packages. Simply select the apps you want to export from installed packages and click on Add Selection to Bundle. You can also export packages from the Discover section. Search, select, and click Add Selection to Bundle. Then click on Save Bundle As, and then save it as a local file. The backup won't have any actual program. Instead, it will have all the information, like the installed version, installation locations, and all the preferences for that app. Later on, in case your computer gets corrupted or you want to set up a new computer, you can use it, and then it will use that information to download and set up all your apps as they were. To import the apps, click on Open Existing Bundle. Now select the stored bundle and open it. You will see the list of all packages. You can deselect any unwanted app, then click on Install selection. All of your apps will be installed. If you want to uninstall a program, go to Installed Packages. Select the app or apps you want to uninstall, right-click, and then choose Uninstall, or Uninstall as Administrator to avoid the UAC prompts. If a particular app is causing an issue, you can right-click on it, choose Uninstall Package, and reinstall it. So, this UniGet UI is your one-stop solution for finding and installing different apps hassle-free. Were you already familiar with this? Don't forget to mention your favorite Windows package managers in the comments. This is it for this video. I will see you in next.